Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to access the advanced traction control on the F150s. This should apply to any 2015 through 2020 Ford F150. I know what some of you may be thinking. I know about traction control, I know about how to turn it off and all that kind of stuff, but I didn't know that there was an advanced mode or type of traction control on these F150s. There is, and I'm going to hop in my 2020 F150 right here. We'll show you guys how to access it. Let's go. Alright, so we are inside the cab of the truck now. As most of you will know, to turn off traction control, you've got these buttons over here. This is the auto start stop. Oh my God! You've got these buttons over here. This is the auto start stop for the engine. These are your hazards, and this button right here is for traction control. Now when you press that guy right here on your heads up display right here, you will get a notification that traction control has been turned off, and you will get this little light up here down here that also lets you know that traction control has been turned off. You probably already know this as well, but these trucks have several different drive modes. I've got a center console column shifter right here, or a center console shifter right here. The DM button is how you cycle through the different drive modes. If you have a column shifter up here on your steering wheel, there will be a button on the outside that you can press to cycle through. I'll give you guys a little preview of what they look like right here. So we're just a normal right now, and then we can go to tow haul, we can go to snow wet, eco mode, or sport mode. Now, more than likely, if you're trying to do the advanced traction control, you're going to be in sport mode as it is. So to access the advanced sport traction control, the same button that we pressed over here, we're going to hit it twice. I believe you have to hit it quickly, like boom, boom. So we'll give it a shot right here. There we go. Advanced track sport mode. I don't really know what the secret is, truthfully. I think maybe you have to press it once, turn it off, and then press it twice quickly after doing so, but that is how you will get into the advanced sport track mode. You can leave it on and go back to the normal drive mode, so I'll show you how to go back, but it just won't be advanced sport mode, it'll just be advanced normal mode. So we'll press our drive mode button down here. Again, if you have a console or a column shifter, it'll be up here, but we'll go back to normal, advanced track on. See, so it's missing the sport mode because we went back into normal, but that is it, guys. That is how you access the second advanced version of traction control in a 2015 through a 2020 Ford F150. I do believe that these are all the same for all the years, the 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 F150s. This is a 2020 F150, as I've already said. But if you guys have any questions, or if this video was helpful to you guys, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace!